In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Wix DNS settings. Understanding your Wix DNS settings can be crucial for customizing your domain or troubleshooting issues with your website. It may sound a bit technical, but don't worry. I'll guide you through this process step by step, and you'll see just how straightforward it can be. Let's start by heading to the Wix Home dashboard. When you're logged in, you'll want to navigate your way to the Home section. Once there, locate and click on the Settings option. If you're new to this area, the Settings button might be towards the side navigation bar, so keep an eye out for it. This will be our starting point as it serves as the main hub for all your website configurations on Wix. After you've opened the settings, focus your attention on the Domain section. By clicking on Domains, you'll gain access to all the domain names registered under your account. If you have multiple domains, be sure to select the one you want to work with. Carefully review the list, and once you've identified your domain, go ahead and copy it. This part is essential because we'll next need to use this domain name to track down the DNS settings. Now that you've copied your domain, we're going to step outside of Wix for a moment. Open up your browser and head over to whatsemidns.net. This is a very handy tool for anyone looking to get a deeper insight into their DNS settings across various servers worldwide. It might look a bit intimidating at first glance, but it's full of useful information. Once you're on the whatsemidns.net website, you'll see a search bar on the top of the page. Here, simply paste the domain you copied earlier into the search field. It's important to ensure you've entered it exactly as it appears to get the most accurate results. After pasting your domain, make sure it looks correct and then move on to the next step. With your domain in the search field, go ahead and click on the Search button. This action will prompt the website to fetch DNS information for your domain. You'll soon see a list of results spread across different regions. These results will show you the DNS records associated with your domain, providing valuable insights into how your domain settings are configured globally. And there you have it. You now know how to find your Wix DNS settings using a few simple steps. Understanding this process opens up a whole world of possibilities for website personalization and diagnostics. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any more questions or need further guidance, feel free to explore other resources or videos available to you.